From Farm to Fork, the journey of food. This journey is a fascinating tale of transformation and collaboration. Food is more than just fuel. It's about community, it's about culture, it's about bringing people together, sharing stories and creating memories. And it all starts with incredible ingredients. These ingredients are nurtured by dedicated farmers who pour their heart and soul into their work. But have you ever stopped to think about the journey our food takes from the farm to our plates? It's a journey that involves countless hands and numerous steps. It's a complex process involving many people and steps. From the farmers who grow the crops to the workers who process and package the food, each person plays a crucial role. The food manufacturing industry plays a vital role in this journey. It ensures that the food we consume is safe, nutritious, and delicious. This industry takes raw ingredients from farms and transforms them into the safe and delicious products we find in our local shops. It's a meticulous process that requires precision and care. Think about it. From harvesting wheat to baking your favorite loaf of bread, it's a team effort. Each step is carefully coordinated to ensure the best quality. Food manufacturing isn't just about large factories, it's also about small-scale producers who bring unique flavors and artisanal products to our tables. It's about local producers, small businesses, and family farms all working together. These local heroes are the backbone of our food system. It's about ensuring everyone has access to affordable, nutritious food, no matter where they live. Community programs and initiatives play a key role in this mission. In the next section, we'll explore how cutting-edge technology transforms this industry. From automation to robotics, technology is revolutionizing the way we produce and consume food. Get ready to be amazed. The future of food is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Hold on to your hats because the food manufacturing industry is getting a technological makeover. We're talking game-changing innovations that are making food production more efficient, sustainable, and exciting than ever before. One of the most exciting developments is hyper-local food systems. Imagine fresh produce grown right in your neighborhood. These localized systems use technology to grow food closer to consumers, reducing food waste and transportation costs. It's about getting the freshest food on your plate while supporting local farmers. But wait, there's more. Robotics and automation are transforming how we process food. Imagine robotic arms sorting and packaging produce with incredible precision, ensuring quality and safety every step of the way. These technologies not only improve efficiency, but also create new opportunities in the food industry. It's a win-win for everyone. The food industry is listening, and consumers are speaking. Today, people are more conscious than ever about what they eat, and its impact on their health and the planet. This shift in mindset is driving significant trends in the food manufacturing industry. Wellness and mindful eating are no longer just buzzwords, they're a way of life. People are ditching processed foods and embracing whole, natural ingredients. They're reading labels, asking questions, and demanding transparency from food producers. But it's not just about what's in our food, it's about where it comes from. Sustainability is a top priority for consumers who want to know that their food is ethically sourced and produced with minimal environmental impact. This means reducing food waste, using sustainable packaging, and supporting companies committed to responsible practices. The food manufacturing industry faces its share of challenges, from supply chain disruptions to labor shortages. But as they say, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. One of the biggest hurdles is ensuring a steady and reliable supply chain. Global events can disrupt the flow of ingredients, impacting food production and prices. But fear not. Innovative companies are finding solutions, exploring alternative sourcing options, and using technology to improve logistics and transparency. Another challenge is the growing demand for fresh and minimally processed foods. Consumers want it all fresh, healthy, and convenient. This demand pushes food manufacturers to innovate, develop new preservation techniques, and invest in technologies that extend the shelf life of fresh produce while maintaining its nutritional value. Section 5. High-tech solutions for a hungry world. The future of food is here, and it's powered by technology. From artificial intelligence to the Internet of Things, cutting-edge innovations are revolutionizing how we produce, track, and consume food. Imagine food factories transformed into smart facilities with sensors monitoring every step of the production process. That's the power of the Internet of Things. These sensors collect real-time data on temperature, humidity, and other factors, ensuring optimal conditions for food safety and quality. But it doesn't stop there. Artificial intelligence is stepping in to analyze these massive data sets, providing valuable insights that optimize production, reduce waste, and even predict potential problems before they arise. It's like having a crystal ball for the food industry. Section 6. The future is automated. Robots in the kitchen. Get ready to meet the new chefs in town. Robots! Automation is transforming the food manufacturing industry, bringing efficiency and precision to tasks once performed manually. Don't worry, we're not talking about robots taking over the world yet. Instead, they're here to lend a helping hand, or should we say, a robotic arm. These automated systems can perform repetitive tasks like sorting, packaging, and even preparing ingredients with incredible speed and accuracy. This increased automation not only boosts productivity, but also addresses labor shortages in the industry. By automating certain tasks, companies can free up human workers to focus on more specialized and creative aspects of food production. It's a perfect example of technology complementing human skills. Section 7. Going Green: Sustainability in Food Production. The food manufacturing industry is stepping up to the plate regarding sustainability. This shift is not just a trend, but a necessary evolution to ensure the health of our planet and future generations. From reducing food waste to adopting eco-friendly packaging, companies are prioritizing minimizing their environmental impact. Eco-friendly packaging is designed to be biodegradable or recyclable, significantly cutting down on the waste that ends up in landfills. One of the biggest areas of focus is reducing food waste throughout the supply chain. This involves not only the end product but also the byproducts generated during production. Did you know that roughly 1/3 of all food produced globally is lost or wasted? That's a staggering statistic. This loss translates to wasted resources, including water, energy, and labor. By implementing better storage solutions, optimizing transportation logistics, and improving inventory management, companies can significantly reduce the amount of food that goes to waste. And finding creative ways to utilize surplus food, the industry is tackling this challenge head-on. For instance, surplus food can be repurposed into new products or donated to those in need, ensuring that it doesn't go to waste. But it's not just about reducing waste, it's also about conserving resources. Efficient use of resources is crucial for sustainability. Companies are adopting sustainable practices like using renewable energy sources, reducing water consumption, and investing in energy-efficient technologies. Solar panels and wind turbines are becoming common sights at food production facilities, and implementing responsible waste management systems. Composting food waste is another effective strategy, turning waste into valuable compost for agriculture. It's all about creating a more sustainable and resilient food system for generations to come. Sustainable farming practices such as crop rotation and organic farming play a significant role in this transformation. By embracing these practices, the food industry is paving the way for a greener future. Section 8. Transparency is key. What's in our food? Remember when reading food labels felt like deciphering a secret code? Those days are numbered. Transparency is becoming the norm in the food industry, with consumers demanding clearer labeling and detailed information about the origin and production of their food. Clean labels are in, and complicated ingredient lists are out. Consumers want to see short, recognizable ingredients they can pronounce and understand. This means ditching artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives in favor of natural alternatives. But transparency goes beyond just ingredients. Consumers are also interested in the ethical sourcing of their food, fair labor practices, and the environmental impact of production. Companies are responding by providing more information about their supply chains, certifications, and sustainability initiatives. It's all about building trust and empowering consumers to make informed choices. Section 9. Shaping the future of food innovation and beyond. The food manufacturing industry is on an exciting journey of innovation, driven by technological advancements, consumer demand, and a growing need for a more sustainable and equitable food system. This transformation is not just about making food production faster or more efficient, it's about rethinking the entire process from farm to table. As we look to the future, we can expect even more exciting developments in areas like personalized nutrition, alternative proteins, and cellular agriculture. Personalized nutrition will allow individuals to tailor their diets based on their unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and health goals, leading to better health outcomes and enhanced well-being. Imagine a world where you can customize your food to meet your specific dietary needs. With the advent of 3D food printing technology, this is becoming a reality. You could print a meal that is perfectly balanced in nutrients, tailored to your taste preferences, and even designed to look visually appealing. Or enjoy lab-grown meat that's identical to the real thing but with a much smaller environmental footprint. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat, is produced by cultivating animal cells in a controlled environment, eliminating the need for traditional livestock farming and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The future of food is about embracing innovation, collaboration, and a commitment to creating a delicious and sustainable food system for everyone. Researchers, scientists, and food technologists are working together to develop new methods and technologies that will revolutionize the way we produce and consume food. So, the next time you sit down to a meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey your food has taken. From the lab to your plate, each bite represents a culmination of cutting-edge research, innovative technology, and the hard work of countless individuals dedicated to improving our food system, and the people and technologies that made it possible. The future of food is bright, and with continued innovation and collaboration, we can look forward to a world where everyone has access to nutritious, sustainable, and delicious food.